Up and in the water. Got the ball? All right, bring me the ball. Amber, bring me the ball. Come on. Come on. What can you do with the ball? What can you do with the ball? Get the ball. Get the ball. Are you burying it? What are you doing to it? Oh, there it goes. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Oh, there it goes. Up. Lost it again. Oh, you got it again. Woo! Got the toast ball. And this is good for hours of fun. I can't get you to retrieve a ball, but you'll bury it. Oh, watch out. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And kaplunk. My ball? Amber, bring me the ball. Hello? And let's roll it down the hill. Hi. Can I play? No. Pretty girl. Do we see where this is going?